Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and for this video I would like to show you the way how to lock application on iOS or iPhone with the Face ID or passcode. So the first thing that you have to do is just make sure that you already activate the passcode and Face ID of your phone to lock your phone by visit the setting and activate the passcode and Face ID. And whenever you already have activated those security on your phone, you just need now go into the shortcuts. Find in the shortcuts find in the app library a shortcut that symbolized with this icon, and after that you just need to go click it to open it. And now to lock the application, so you just need to visit the automation sections right here, and we need to create a new automation by click this plus button. And after that you can just go click this create personal automation. Now you need to scrolling down until you found an app. Whenever you got the app, you just need to go click it and choose the is open rather than is closed, because the action that we need whenever someone open the application, this phone will be locked. And now you just need to choose the application by click this this site, and you just need to choose which application that you want to lock. So let's say if you want to lock this let's say this PCA mobile or anything it is that you want to lock, you can do multiple application. And after you got that, you just need to go click done. And now you just need to go click next, and let's set the actions. So you just need to go click this plus button, and you just need to type here lock screen right here. Just go click it, and now go click next. Make sure that you turn off the apps before running, because we want this automation to run automatically on our phone. And after you done, you just need to go click done. And now let's check the result. Let's open the application that you already locked, and you can see it's already locked. Your phone is locked until you got the Face ID, and you will be visit or enter into the application. So that's the way, guys, how to lock the application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.